Alright guys, I accidentally pressed the stop recording button and then it stopped recording,
Huh?
so yeah.
There isn't supposed to be anyone else on this ship.
Okay, what are you doing on a ship anyways? Is that your life goal? Neil Armstrong already went onto the moon, so that's your problem. What? Oh, it's the deep voice daughter. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Does she not have a face? Oh, heck no. Go back. Are we all forgetting the fact that her body did not move? I'm sorry if I'm doing oh yeah, the camera. Sorry. There we go. Even though you guys can't legally see it. Here, I'm gonna prove it to you. There, you see that dot? That's where my camera is. No, I really wish I could put the camera where the heck I want. Apparently I can't do that. Okay, if I see a jump scare somewhere. There we go. Got the ship running again. Alright. Nice and clean. What the That thing is a zombie.
Molly?
Take the flippin' doll and go out to space and die.
Daddy. Don't leave me, Daddy.
Leave. Yo, if I found that thing in my flippin' house, I go to my dishwasher. Oh!
Where's Daddy's arm?
What?
What?
What the?
What's going on?
Yeah. Is there no, like, escape? Like, some extra small, those little ships? I don't know what they're called, but those are little things. Those launch, you back home. Escape pods, yeah, those. Don't you mean where's
What's
John's
happening?
arms? Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. This is what you're supposed to have in an emergency like this. Have all of these on. Look out the door.
Daddy? Come back, Daddy.
Yeah, I told the trainer.
You're
Told him.
not her.
Exactly. Get out of here.
Can't you hear me? Don't you recognize my voice?
Deep and unwhelmed. How you hold the gun in your hand if you have no arms? Oh wait, I think he's the one that... Oh. Yo.
Please, Daddy. Come back.
He's the one that died. Oh crap, I'm stupid. Is that the doctor? No.
No, please don't.
Oh, no, it's already airlock. Oh, you're done. I would have put one of those spacesuits on. I think he's dying. What the? Oh. That's what happened to him. Oh, out cold. That's wrong. Well, that was Nightingale. A short horror film. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want more content like this. Yeah.